Kids TV. Hello friends, today we learn about letter F. Before that, let's review. A, B, C, D, E. F is capital letter F. Small letter F. F for fish. F-I-S-H fish. F for frog. F-R-O-G frog. F for face. F-A-C-E face. F for flower. F-L-O-W-E-R flower. F for foot. F-O-O-T foot. Bye bye. Kids, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel.